Welcome to the Duratuf timber floor installation video hosted by Mr. Shed.
I'm Tony Ballard and the name of my company is 0800 Mr. Shed. Back in 2007 I started building Duratuf sheds, so a few years now. Rightio, we're just about to start to do the floor now, and I find the best way to start off is to put your boards in to mark out where you've got to notch these studs that are coming down. So I just mark them with a pencil and then take them back outside. So a simple way of doing it is setting your square at 45. That's how wide the studs are. Then we just get our jigsaw and just cut those out. And then in theory it should all fit. So we just about finished the floor. As you saw, we started with the two end boards, and we've worked across from this side to this side, and as we've gone past the centre stud we've notched that. Same with the door studs here, we've notched around there, and now we're to the last 4 and a bit boards. And so the best way to do this is now put all the boards in and then measure the gap, because the last board you normally have to rip, and then we'll just marry the last 2 boards in and it makes it a nice and tight fit. So now we've got to just rip this down to 120. So the easiest way I find to do it is to set my square at 120. So the last part of your floor is to put the capping over the end here, just to make the floorboards a lot tidier. If you have a close look here, you can see it's quite uneven from this end down to the other end there. And so this cap here will just make it look fantastic. So we just cut it to size and nail it down just like that. And as you can see, beautiful.
Don't forget to visit duratuf.co.nz and try our 3D shed builder today.